Men's Conditioner. American Crew Daily Moisturizing Conditioner restores, strengthens, and protects hair is left feeling soft, manageable, and ready for styling. For your hair, our triple-action vegan and solicon-free formula detangles while vitamin B5 moisturizes hair without weighing it down, promoting healthy-looking hair. Ingredients. Includes essential nutrients formulated with 91% naturally derived ingredients to detangle and reduce hair breakage, with packaging made with 80% post-consumer recycled plastics. How to use. After shampooing, massage a small amount into hair and scalp, ensuring it distributes evenly, and leave on for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse well. Suitable for men with normal to dry hair. WHOER. American Crew is a leader in men's grooming for hair, body, shave, style, fragrance categories with products that make great Father's Day gifts. American Crew's ongoing commitment is to elevate men's style and enhance their personal image. American Crew has been redefining what it means to be a well-groomed man. Innovative grooming products and pioneering education have been defining grooming for 25 years. Creating and caring for everything needed in men's styles. American Crew is a leader in men's grooming for hair, body, shave, style, cologne, and skincare categories. As the global leader in men's grooming and the official supplier to men, American Crew's ongoing commitment to elevate men's style and enhance their personal image by providing education and marketing to share the brand's vision. Top reviews from the United States. Helped me with my dandruff. After so many years, finally found something that helped with my dandruff. Would recommend.